Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to earn the Toolbox badge on Codecademy using your laptop. This badge proves you know how to use all the essential tools as the developer. So let's get started. First, you need to open your browser and go to codecademy.com and log in with your email and password. As you can see, I've already logged in my account in the codecademy.com. Now once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right and select profile from the drop down menu. As you can see, the first option is the profile option. Simply click on it. Once you have gone inside your profile option, scroll down to the achievement section, and this is where all your badges appear, including the Toolbox badges. As you can see, the latest badges comes up right here. The Toolbox badge is awarded when you have completed specific lessons, exercises or projects that teach you how to use coding tools like Git, the terminal and code editors. Make sure to finish all the required modules listed under this list. So consistency is the key. Even if you complete one module per day, Codecademy will track your progress and automatically award the Toolbox badge once you have met all the requirements. Click your achievement section or simply scroll down to the latest badge option to see when you have got the badge, and it will automatically appear here when you have got the badge. Then once it's there, you can proudly showcase it in your profile, and that's how you can get the Toolbox badge on Codecademy. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more and share with friends who are learning to code. Keep learning and keep going. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.